Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to design a website using Canva. To create a website on Canva, you have to simply go to a browser, search for Canva, you will get the link, click onto it, make sure it is canva.com, you will be onto its website, then simply log in or sign up using your email address. And once you get login, we have to search for the templates for the website or for the aspect ratio of the website. So for that, you have to click on more and then you have to search for website. Once you click onto it, you will get options, but go with the first one, which is the website, because this will show you the right aspect ratios for a website, like the size of the page. Now here you will see a blank page. So this will be your first page or maybe any other page that you want to design. The same way we can add multiple pages for the website. So you have to go to the design and there you have to simply search or maybe look up for the designs of website. You can also search it by your category. Like in my case, I'm going with a clothing website. Therefore, I have searched for the clothing. So these are the designs that we can use, but the ones with this crown are the paid ones. So you have to get the subscription, but without that crown, all of the designs are free. You can use any one of these. If you want to use only one page, you will click onto it and it will be added. But if you want to use the whole template, you can click on to add all or apply all, and after that these pages will be added. So if you're wondering what are these, this is like the first page and the shopping page, the cart page. So this is how all these pages appear here. Now we have the template. It's time to customize it as per our choice. So I'm going to start with the logo. First, I'm going to remove this default one and import a new one. So what you have to do is simply upload your logo image here, and after that you have to simply put it on that page. For the reference, I'm using this one from the files or these ones that are available on Canva as well, but you can use your logo. Then it is all your canvas. You customize it as per your choice. You change the logo, you change the text, you change its font, you change its size, you change its color. Wherever you want to place it on the page, simply do it. So now we also have this button option here. I'm just going to write here shop now, which is very common button in every website. You can also do that as well, and you can also change the color of the background and you can simply match it to anything. Now you can see I have this background. This one is a default one. If you have the background of your own or maybe something you want to upload, you can simply remove it, click onto it and press that delete. So here we have the option, either we can add the image or also the video. You can upload anything and can get it. If you have no clue, in this option you can also search for it, and after that you will get some stock videos and images. Make sure you use the one without that crown icon because those are the paid ones. So simply get anything that you would like to put it here, and after that you have to set it at it can be set on this page, like it covers the whole page. So the same way you can upload any image or video that you like. Whatever you prefer, you can go with that way. Now here I have edited one page. The same way you can customize any page of your choice. Simply add any information, any image, video, text, font, color, place anything wherever you would like to. If you don't like it, you can just simply delete anything and simply import anything that you want to. If you don't like the font, simply go to the font section. You will get hundreds and thousands of different fonts that you can use. Simply select any one of these, apply to it, and it will be added. Then if you want to go and move the things here and there so you can get where it looks best, you can simply do that. Like it is your canvas, it's up to you. You show your all creativity, and once you're done you can share it, but it will be downloaded in the form of png. So for that you have to click on publish website, and after that you have to publish it. So it will just take a while, and after that it will show you this page. So you can customize your url. You can add any URL, but make sure the domain will be for the Canva here. If you purchase its subscription, then you can customize its domain. Otherwise, we have to go with the Canva, and after that, click on publish. Then it will just take a while, and after that, it will take a minute in preparing your design, and once this preparation gets done, the website will get published and we will be able to see it. So this is the website that we have just created using Canva. The same way you can do it as well. If you don't like it, you can just simply go back and can do some more customization. So that's how you can create a website using Canva. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.